Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing and swatching the new collection by Morphe called Living Color. This launched last week on June 5th. This is a collection that will only be sold at Morphe online and in-store. This will not be available at Ulta. 100% of net proceeds from this collection will be donated to the Trevor Project to help fund 24/7 suicide prevention and crisis intervention for the LGBTQ. So that means affiliate codes won't apply to this collection but can still be used on any other Morphe products online or in stores. This collection includes a 7-piece brush set for $28. It's a limited edition packaging. The brushes come inside a small cylinder type case. All of the brushes are part of the artist series and are available individually but not in this type of packaging. By purchasing the set, you'll be saving $11 plus you'll be purchasing for a good cause. The brushes that are included are the M513, M507, M522, M431, M326, M167, and M158. Next, this collection also includes the 25L Living Color Artistry palette. This is a 25 pan eyeshadow palette that is $20. That is less than $1 per shadow. The packaging is pretty cute. It's a pearl holographic palette with the rainbow across the palette. This is a cardboard palette with the magnetic closure, and the palette includes a good quality mirror. The eyeshadows do have names and they are printed under each eyeshadow. Morphe states that the shade names in this palette were inspired by the LGBTQ history and some of the brave people who helped pave the way for a brighter future. The color story of this palette is definitely colorful. It has a mixture of mattes, metallics, and shimmers. Out of the 25 eyeshadows, 14 are matte, 8 are shimmers, and 3 are metallics. And there's actually 10 pigments in this palette out of those 14 mattes. Those shades are Culture, Pride, Love Wins, Sunlight, Heart, Sexuality, Truth, Life, San Francisco, and Nature. For the swatches, the mattes were very pigmented and soft. I noticed that the more you use the eyeshadow, the more it will get softer and the pigment will definitely be better than the first time you use it. The only 2 pigments that swatch a bit chalky were Truth and Art, but after I passed 2 layers or maybe 3, the pigment's performance improved. I did have some kick up and fallout, so I definitely recommend doing your eyes before your face. For the shimmers and metallics, these were all very creamy and pigmented. I didn't have any issues with any of those. At the time of editing this video, I noticed that both products are sold out online, but they're still available in stores, and I'm not sure if they will be restocking online. So overall, if you like the brushes or are in need of new ones, I do recommend these since they are the type of brushes I reach for when I'm doing my makeup. For the eyeshadow palette, I recommend it for those that love to play with color because this palette does not have any neutral shades. It has beautiful colors and can also be used for pop-up colors. So I really hope this video was helpful. Let me know what you guys think about this collection. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.